Welcome to Orchid Gardening Days at Montego Bay. See the beautiful blooms in my garden.
So this video, guys, is me trying to rescue my Grammatophylum specimen orchid. That's the word. And it went through the hurricane. I didn't take it inside because it was so heavy. I couldn't manage to take it in. So it was under my tree when the storm arrived. It took a battering, almost died. Well, it basically died, and I tried to salvage some of the bulbs. So here's a video of me trying to rescue my gram orchid, and of course the story will continue. So I'll keep you updated on it, but this is how I rescue my Grammatophylum orchid massacred by Hurricane Melissa. So today I'm going to be treating my Grammatophylum speciosum. So this is my Grammatophylum that was seriously battered during Hurricane Melissa. I'm trying to see what I can salvage, taking pieces of the bulbs and soaking them in fungicide and see how many plants I can get from it to make it live, because it will rot in this massacre. So come with me as I pull this apart. It's gonna be rough. I have 2 dull knives. I'll probably get something sharper to help me to dissect my Grammatophylum. So guys, this was all that I managed to harvest from the damaged Grammatophylum orchid, the large one. I managed to separate quite a few of the bulbs from it, and each bulb has either roots or a small keiki growing at the side or a shoot. Cut the damaged leaves, and I hope to pot them up also. They have this one is rotten. This won't make it, so I'll toss this one. But the rest of them look okay. This one's iffy as well, but I'll watch it because it's not soft. It's still solid, hard. Some of them are close to, oh yeah, this is soft. This won't make it. I'm gonna dry it out. This one, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna pot these up once they've dried out, and I'll show you the end product soon.